Right, so let's talk about AI in the insurance industry space, alright? So as a company in the general insurance space, you'll probably be receiving claims of a lot of different kinds, like health, home, and motor, right? So you've got different sorts of different ones, right? So this automation I built will actually take any email received. Let's say you got this email line going on so people can send their claims via email. This AI automation will actually pass out its subject of the email, the message of the email, and then we're going to use the chat modules, right, from the API. We're going to check what kind of claim it is. It'll take a look at the message and subject line together, and it will choose one of three. All right, it will choose either, for this one of course you can change it for your one, right? This one will choose either motor, home, or health, right? And that's all it will return, right? I'll show you the data in a minute. And then we've got another one which will take a look at the message and subject and create a short summary. Okay, this is we're going to use this later, so we'll create a short summary of the claims to take out the important bits of the message, right? And to even more summarize it, we have a third AI automation here, all right? This chat module will take the people and their involvement, all right? So it will just take whoever, like say someone got hurt, it'll say their name and then it'll say how they got hurt and all of that, all right? So we've got three little variables here, and whatever this one is, right, home, health, or motor, we've got one of these paths, right? So if it's motor, we've got this path, home, this path, health, this path, right? Let's just say we have a motor issue, right? The claim will talk about the car, they crashed the car or something, right? We'll go up here. Now, instead of someone has to go check all of this stuff, see what kind of claim it is, all those important things, right? This automation will send it directly to the team, okay? Let's say you got a motor incident. It will first send an email to the motor team, alright? So this email will have the subject line, so it will show like what kind of thing. So it'll say motor claim sent at, and then this now variable is the time the email got received, right? And then don't worry about this, it's written in HTML, but essentially it will send the first it will send the claim type, so it'll say motor here. Then also the info, so it'll say the summary we created. It will say the parties involved. And then it will say the email address and the original message, just in case something didn't work right, okay? And it'll send it in a nice format. And then after that, we'll send a confirmation back from the person that sent it saying, we have received your claim basically, all right? And we will let you know within 5 working days, okay? This one will only activate if this works, all right? So don't worry, there's like a safety net going on. Let me show you, let's go through an example, right? Show how this works. Recently after the hurricane, my roof caved in, the plumbing doesn't seem to work, and the electricity won't turn on. Luckily, no one was at home since we had to evacuate, so no one was injured. Since we pay insurance with you, I'm wondering how the process goes and how we can go about getting compensation and maybe temporary home while the house gets rebuilt, alright? So it's a classic little claim, right? So let's say this gets sent to our email, alright? So this is what will happen, okay? Now it says watch emails. It will take the email, right? And it'll have all of this metadata, so much stuff going on, alright? And as I said earlier, it will pass out the subject line. Accident at home, need to claim insurance. They'll claim the message in the email, the whole long string, okay? And then here's our ChatGPT APIs, alright? Let's see what happens if, what type of claim. It should be home, yep. What the summary is, so it creates a short summary of the whole thing, right? And then people involved should just be Gary, right? So yeah, roof caved in, plumbing not working, electricity not working. Very important home claim. You know exactly what's wrong, okay? So we've got all these threes, and you're gonna choose the middle one because it's not motor, it's not health, it's home, right? So if you have this thing, you can make something here saying like, are they an existing customer with us, etc., etc., and say return yes or no, and you can choose the filters to go up these paths. You can customize it very easy, right? So let's just say. So it was home, okay, so only take the middle path, and then we get this email sent to our claims team, okay? Yeah, you can't really tell, it's an HTML right now. I'll show you what it looked like in a minute, and then you got a confirmation email sent as well. So I'll show you both of those now. So as you can see, here's the information sent to the home claims team, alright? So it says claim type, summary, parties involved, and email address, alright? So you've got all of this stuff, and if some stuff didn't get through, you've got the email here, alright? So this is really cool, right? Let me show you the confirmation emails just a little bit less important. Yeah, hello, this is a confirmation email sent. You received your email, we'll come back to you within 5 working days. You can format this more nicely than I had. This is just for like a demo, innit? So let's go back. See, all in our background, this whole thing is working. This automation has taken out a whole team of yours to look up the email address and everything. So replacing a whole business mechanism with just an automation like this is more cheaper and quicker and more accurate, okay? So you can always put like an extra path down here for just in case you get none of these three, just in case it bricks. But yeah, that is how you do an AI automation in the insurance space. I've gone into this one because I studied this at university, right? I did actuarial science, okay? So if any other industry you guys want me to go into, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching.